Welcome DKP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like you own your supply chain, but can't prove it when the rules change overnight? That's the billion-dollar question. Meet Trace81, an open source system designed to turn that feeling of ownership into rock-solid proof. Remember when competition was just about price and tariffs? Cute. Then came tech, then compliance now. The real battleground is evidence. Can you prove your stuff is legit under today's rules and tomorrow's? Trace81 doesn't just track, it makes evidence the very foundation of your operations. Think of it as building a fortress not just of goods but of verifiable facts. Geopolitics isn't just news anymore. It's in your procurement process, your supplier contracts, your product designs. The next big win isn't efficiency alone, it's provability. And that's where Trace81 steps onto the stage. So how does this magic happen? It's built on a few clever ideas. First, a store using SQLite with a hash chain. Think of it as a tamper-proof diary for your supply chain. Then a graph module that maps out every step, every facility, every event. Screening isn't just about names. It handles ambiguity and uncertainty. Rule packs keep track of different legal versions over time because rules change fast. Evaluation checks if your evidence is fresh and complete. Finally, the passport module creates these portable, reviewable documents. The kicker: no single compliance score. It's all about the raw, unvarnished truth, ready for anyone to inspect. It's like having a detailed, auditable map of your entire journey. This isn't just about ticking boxes, it's about creating a new economy around evidence itself. Suddenly, how quickly you can prove your supply chain's integrity becomes a competitive advantage. Buyers won't just look at price, they'll look at your ability to provide timely, credible evidence. Those murky, opaque chains, they might carry a hidden risk premium. Trace81 turns this potential liability into an asset. Imagine banks, insurers, even your end customers, being able to trust and reuse your governed evidence passport. It's like turning your supply chain's backstory into a valuable, reusable credential. This is where transparency pays off directly. What makes Trace81 special? It's laser-focused on the nitty-gritty details. It meticulously tracks legal nuances, like the specific criteria added to the UFFLPA list in August 2026, ensuring you don't just see a name, but understand why it matters. Its design follows the DIWP model, ensuring source continuity, difference retention, stage passports, explicit rules, and generation processes are all handled. It plays nicely with existing standards like GS1, EPSIS, and W3C verifiable credentials, making it interoperable. Crucially, it doesn't try to replace what others do well. It acts as a connector, weaving evidence into the fabric of existing systems. It's precision engineering for the complex world of global trade. The road ahead involves rigorous testing, starting with a 90-day pilot aiming to produce a truly usable dossier. Governance is strict, no deleting inconvenient truths, rule packs are immutable records. Revenue comes from helping others integrate this, running pilots and contributing to standards. Ultimately, Trace81 aims to build a future where trust in global supply chains isn't assumed, but proven transparently and collaboratively. That's the game changer.